Hi, in this example I will show you how to use the FileBrowser to import an image file to be displayed in this raw image element. The first step is to create an empty game object, and I will name it FileBrowser. Then I will drag the FileBrowser wrapper to this new game object. There are several options in the FileBrowser wrapper, but right now the only relevant option is the extension filter. I will add two filters, .jpeg and .png. Now let's go ahead and create a new C# script. I will name it select image. Now in Visual Studio we have to connect with the UI element, the raw image. So image equals game object get component raw image. Now we have to define the FileBrowser event. Public void on file selection, and this event needs a string as an argument. String path. This path will contain the path to the selected file, but relative to the streaming assets folder or the persistent data path folder. Image dot texture equals FileManagement dot import texture, and we will provide the selected path. Now save and get back to Unity. Once compiled, we will assign this new script to our raw image element. And the last thing we have to do is to assign the event in our FileBrowser wrapper. So drag the raw image to this event, then select the select image script, and then the onFile selection event. And now it's done. This button right here is intended to open the FileBrowser, so let's add an event, assign the FileBrowser, select the FileBrowser wrapper and the open method. Let's try the application. Open the FileBrowser, select capture.jpg, open again, select this PNG, and that's it. As you can see, it's very easy to set this FileBrowser into your Unity game, and please send me an email if you have any questions.